Yes. Yeah, go.
Ooh. What is it?
What is that?
What is it?
What is that, Ace? What is it? Show us.
What is it?
What is it, Caleb?
What is it, Ace?
What is it?
What is it? Hey, what is it?
Caleb, what do you have? Trash bags! Trash bags for your trash can upstairs. You always say that you need some trash bags.
I hate it. I hate it.
Hey, boys.
Stupid present I ever had.
And there you go, folks. Our spoiled kids.
What?